What is going on, everybody? Another episode of 4x4 Camping and Adventures, and in today's episode we're down here at Belvedere Beach, or Buffalo Beach, and I'm going to take the Trident out for its maiden voyage after COVID, so the restrictions are off, which is awesome, and Mr. Alex from Tents Off-Road is going to come down for the journey. This has been about a year in the planning because there's so many things that have gone wrong to make this work, but we finally got together, and we're going to do a video together and collab. So plenty of things, campfire cooking, we're going to be talking over the campfire about certain four-wheel drive topics, all that cool stuff. Alex is going to make a video as well, so it should be pretty damn good. So without further ado, let's get into it. So day's been going pretty good down here at the beach. Alex is like, we'll just test out these new tracks he got, and wanted to get himself bogged pretty good. So this is what he looks like. He's done himself real good.
Yeah, we got a bit enthusiastic.
We thought you could rear wheel drive it.
Nah, turns out there's a reason you don't bang your Commodores on the beach.
So it's fairly in there. I mean, he's done a good job. So we've hooked up the winch, and we're just going to get him out a little bit so he can then use the tracks to recover himself, because he's done it axle deep and it's not really going anywhere. He's just sitting on his chassis. So he's just going to take a bit of tension up on the winch and that. Got the blanket in the middle as well, obviously for a bit of safety. And then yeah, he's just going to get himself up a bit, then he's going to go out in his own steam. So that's the plan anyway. Hopefully he gets out in his own steam. We'll see what happens. we're just pretty much cruising around looking for a camp spot for tonight. Weather's been a bit how you going, but camping's camping, right? So what we're going to do, we're at the cut, so pretty much where the beach ends and the estuary starts. Just going to try and find a little spot around here. There's plenty of good spots. We might just go a touch closer to the beach and see what's down there. But yeah, it's looking for a little bit of a camp, nothing special. As I said, this is a pretty cruisy trip. We're just exploring, because I haven't actually been down this side of it yet, so all new to me. But yeah, we'll just keep plugging along. Alright, we're all set up, aren't we, Alex? We're there. Alex is making a video about mats, or floor mats or something like that.
What are they called? Ground sheets?
Ground sheets. So get onto that when he brings it out. And yeah, this is my new setup, so I'll just take you through it. Got the 180, same sort of back setup. I've got the Ridge Rider on there at the moment. So I took the wake off because that's in using it as a freezer. Then I've got my 2 water cans, just show you how they work. So the water cans, pretty simple. So having water on the go. So shower awning. There we go. Check out Alex's setup with his cool 270 degrees awning. And his Darchie swag.
Yep.
Looking cool there, mate.
My ground sheet.
His ground sheet video. And this is his whole setup. But we're gonna do a separate video in the morning, aren't we, Alex?
We are. We're gonna walk all through it.
And depending what time we get up, because we're gonna probably be very hungover by that time. But I'll take a bit of a walk through of Alex's car. And yeah, hopefully you get a little bit out of it. Oh, there's Jimmy's bag. Grab your gear. And yeah, hopefully you get something out of it, because we all get little ideas out of these videos. I'm pretty happy with the 180. It's gone really well. So I'm really keen to, it's probably going to get rained on tonight. So I'm pretty keen to see sort of how that goes, how it sort of handles the weather and that kind of thing. But as always, keep it simple, stupid. You don't need much when you go camping. Got some beers. And as I said, this is me cooking setup. Very simple. we've got the campfire going. It is beautiful. Look at the, it's going to be a killer sunset too. What a spot. What a spot. So I'm going to leave it there. I suppose the next bit is going to be a separate video. We're going to do a campfire discussion or campfire, yeah, conversations, whatever we're going to call it. And we're going to talk about just four-wheel drive, you know, camping related material, all that kind of stuff. So that should be pretty cool coming up, depending how much we have to drink. But yeah, I'm going to leave it there. Get a bit of time lapse with the sunset going down. It's going to be a little bit too cloudy to get a star trail tonight, but yeah, I should be able to get the old time lapse of the sunset going down. That'd be pretty cool. But yeah, I shall see you in the morning. See you later.